With Cox Internet, you'll receive reliable speeds and great customer experience. But will paying more for those higher speed plans, extra data, and add-ons be worth it? I'm Riley with Switchful, and let's find out. We rate our internet service providers on value, performance, equipment and installation, and customer experience. Starting with our first category, value. Cox Internet offers good budget plans, but if you're looking for those high speeds, you can expect to pay more. Cox plans range from 60 cents per megabit per second for low-speed plans and 10 cents per megabit per second for the fastest plan. If you do the math, that's more than most cable providers. But Cox has lower speed options. If your internet budget tops at around $50 a month, Cox may be your new best friend. For plans with speeds around 200 megabits per second or above, you might be pushing your budget a little bit. Now, what you get for your money is pretty good. All plans have data caps of around 1.25 terabytes, unless you want to pay the extra $50 a month for unlimited data. However, we think that 1.25 terabytes of data is more than most people need. Moving on to performance. Generally, Cox delivers the speed it says, and sometimes a bit higher. Cox is a cable internet company, so it can deliver faster speeds than DSL or satellite. But it's slower than fiber. It's important to note that cable internet is known to slow down during peak usage times, because you and your neighbors are all using the same street lines. When it comes to equipment and installation, you have the option to rent a gateway from Cox or use a modem, router, or gateway that you already own. A gateway is a modem and router in one, so you don't have to use two separate devices. The Cox gateway sits at around $13 a month, and you can also buy, but not rent, additional Wi-Fi pods for around $130. Wi-Fi pods are normally used to help spread the Wi-Fi signal for large homes or homes that have thick walls. So if you have a smaller home, these won't be worth the purchase. These pods can also only be used with Cox Internet, so if you decide to part ways, you won't be able to use these Wi-Fi pods again. Self-installation is free, while professional installation sits at around $100. As for customer experience, Cox does a decent job. According to the American Customer Satisfaction Index, Cox Internet placed 9th for customer satisfaction. Also, Cox offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which we think is pretty solid. If you're not a tech-savvy person, you can pay an extra $10 a month to receive extra help day or night. We gave Cox a rating of 3.3 stars, while customers rated it 4.1 stars. So, what are your thoughts? Is Cox Internet a good choice for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about Cox Internet or other internet service providers, check us out at switchful.com. We'll see you next time.